People started voting?
Well, Michael, we are here right here in this Kiumbuini primary polling station, polling center, and this is one of the polling stations in this polling center. We are told that this particular polling center has a total number of polling stations, making up to 16 polling stations, and so we arrived here about 45 minutes ago, and we are told that this particular polling center was open at between 6 to 6 minutes past 12. 12 minutes past 6, I beg a pardon. And so right here, the voting has been going on so well, and as per the officials here, they are saying people have been coming in slowly by slowly, but the numbers are not looking as impressive as they were in August 8th when we had the first round of voting. And so we are just joined by the presiding officer who is going to tell us exactly how the situation is and perhaps give us if there are any challenges and or any successes so far. Karibu sana, this KTN News. So how has been the situation so far?
The situation here so far, so good. We started the station at 6:15, and so far we had some good number of people coming around. They have voted, but now as we continue, the numbers are not very promising as we expected. Compared to the other time, we find that there were very many people at this particular time. Like I remember the other time, very many people. By the time we were opening the station at around 6, there was a very long queue at the gate. But when we started, we had almost 15 people on the queue. So by the time we started, that is how it is. And then the flow has kept on reducing on and on.
No, is there any reason as to, or anything that could possibly explain this situation, why people are coming in slowly and why the numbers seem not to be that impressive?
Okay, maybe for now I might not be able to, maybe I'll not be in good position to state why, but maybe fears. We can say people are fearing to come out to get out and participate in this particular exercise. Maybe because of the fears that are around this particular place. But so far, I don't think if there is any alarming issue from around, because so far you have seen the place is very peaceful. Everybody is going on with his or her own business. Like most of the business persons who are coming here, they're saying that they have just come to cast, then they continue their business. So it means that they are continuing with their own business very well.
Thank you very much. And so, Michael, that is what the situation is like here in Kangemi. And although we are, apart from maybe what the presiding officer says are fears, we know very well that it's also raining, and perhaps that could be one of the reasons as making people not to come in large numbers as it is expected. And so we shall continue keeping an eye on whatever is going on. Remember, we are moving around the city, county, and we shall be telling our viewers exactly what is happening and how